So we just got in right here after we got the liquidity sweep, right? So far we're up about a good old 43 bucks. Good old 43 bucks. Let's see how this trade will go. This is gonna be a very, very short scalp, right? I'm potentially just targeting this low right here. Okay, and the reason why there's so much liquidity right now is because it's the start of the London Q zone as well, right? So this is just gonna be a very, very quick scalp, getting in and out fast. We are just trying to ride on this liquidity right here on the London Open. Honestly, this entry could have been a lot better, right? We are actually a little bit late, but better late than never, eh? So let's just see how this goes. Let's go, baby. Okay. So right now we're about 2K right here, as you can see. A quick little 2K right there in the bank. Honestly, right now, just waiting for price to actually hit the TP, man. It's just about trusting your analysis and not letting all these tiny little fake outs get you out of a good trade. This is really the hardest part, guys. Just waiting for a price to hit TP. Because this is where your fingers start getting itchy. You start feeling like, oh, it's $2,000 right now. I should close this trade right now and secure the profits. Just shut up, bro. Like shut your inner bitch up. Like just hold the trade all the way to TP. Do take profit. Don't get phased by all these tiny little pullback, right? So yeah, let's see how this goes. I mean, liquidity, bro. Like that's the thing. When you understand liquidity, you're able to get in and ride this huge move, guys. Thank God for liquidity, bro. Now, like I said, guys, just wait, bro. Just be patient. Right here, not gonna be doing anything. I don't know, man. Maybe I'll go brew a cup of coffee before I come back to hit my beautiful trade hit TP. But yeah, man, this is the combination of having the right skill set, or mastering the skill set, and also trading at the right time, right? When you know like what time to trade, it becomes so powerful because you know exactly what time there's gonna be the most amount of trading volume, the most amount of trading opportunities. That is why I analyze my charts about 30 minutes before the London Q zones, right? So I can have all my charts mocked up, and then when the market actually opens, immediately scan for opportunity, like what I did right here, saw the opportunity, enter for the trade, and then just let the liquidity do the talking, baby. So yeah, let's just continue to wait and see. Oh, but Brad, price is retracing right now. You are wrong. Shut up, bro. Be patient, my friend. Just wait, yo. Just wait. Man, you know, like the worst part about trading is actually waiting, man. That's honestly the worst part, bro. But what can I say, right? You can't give in to this instant gratification, kids. I'm zen, bro. I'm zen. Let's see. Let's just wait and see, alright? You can see, like, I'm never looking at my MetaTrader 4. Oh, look at me. I'm up about 2.6K. Who give a shit? Right? I'm just waiting for the trade to hit my TP. That's it, bro. That's it. Okay, right now price is gonna pull back. Whatever. Let me just pause this and get back to this later. What did I say? Trust your analysis, kids. Trust your analysis, guys. Up 4K at the moment. There we go. 4K. 420, blaze it. Wait, what's the time now? 428. Okay. Okay, wait, hold up. 4.6K. What's the time now? It's profit o'clock, baby. Damn, I am so good at trading, bro. Alright. You know what? I'm about to close this shit soon. I'm good, man. I just made $5,000. Alright? I'm about to make 5K today. I think that's enough for me. That's enough for my 7-course meal for tonight. Alright, price is about to hit the TV right now. I'm just gonna close the trade manually because I'm good, bro. I'm good. Let me just see what price is doing right now. I'm gonna close it right now. Why is it so blur, bro? Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna close it. I know for a fact price is gonna go up right now. So 4.6K right here. Close it. What the hell did I say? I told you price is gonna go up right from here. And the minute after I closed the trade, I'm not even shitting you, price just straight away went up. Why? Because of liquidity once again. If I look towards the left hand side, I know that this is a liquidity sweep zone. Right, there's a shit ton of demand at this area right here. The only reason why price turned bearish right here is so that it can pull back to this area right here to grab more liquidity before we get price shooting up, before we get a real move. All right, so as always, if you can't spot the liquidity, you are the liquidity. Bye.